Traditional potted plants often bring two major risks into our homes: the severe toxicity of many incredibly popular houseplants, like the monstera, pothos, or peace lily, and the endless frustration of cleaning up spilled dirt. Today, we are solving both of these massive problems entirely. We are eliminating toxic plant species from our spaces, and we are completely removing the dirt. In this video, we will explore 5 stunning, 100% cat-safe indoor plants that thrive beautifully and indefinitely in just clear water. By transitioning these specific plants to a purely aquatic environment, you create an elegant, soil-free plantaria setup that provides absolute peace of mind. Let's dive into the 5 feline-friendly houseplants that will transform your space without ever harming your beloved pets. Plant 1. The graceful spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. We begin our essential list with a true classic that is widely celebrated as the ultimate cat-safe houseplant, the graceful arching spider plant. Known for its slender, ribbon-like leaves featuring beautiful, contrasting green and creamy white variegation, the spider plant brings a dynamic, cascading, and highly aesthetic texture to your indoor water garden. Felines are notoriously attracted to spider plants because the long, bouncy leaves closely resemble natural grass, making them incredibly tempting to bat at and chew. Thankfully, the spider plant is completely non-toxic and perfectly safe if your cat decides to take a little bite. What makes this specific plant truly spectacular for pure water cultivation is its highly unique method of reproduction. Mature spider plants send out long, graceful stems carrying tiny, fully formed baby plants, affectionately called spiderettes. These perfect miniature pups already possess tiny, pre-formed root nodes at their absolute base, making them the ideal candidates for immediate water propagation. To create a beautiful display that is safe from playful paws, place your spider plant pup in a heavy, stable glass propagation cone or a narrow-necked glass bottle. The goal is to allow only the very bottom of the root base to touch the water. Once established, it develops incredibly thick, fleshy, tuberous roots that look highly striking and sculptural through clear glass, creating a mesmerizing, completely dirt-free display. Plant 2. The vibrant nerve plant, Fittonia. Next on our list is a breathtakingly beautiful species that brings a stunning, vibrant variety of colors to replace the toxic plants you had to give up. The spectacular nerve plant, scientifically known as Fittonia. If you have been searching for a striking pop of color to replace toxic plants like the Syngonium or the philodendron pink princess, the Fittonia is your perfect 100% cat-safe solution. Characterized by its deeply intricate, contrasting veins in brilliant shades of pastel pink, striking ruby red, or pure silver white, this plant adds a highly sophisticated, vivid texture to any clean workspace or aesthetic living room. The nerve plant is a phenomenally enthusiastic rooter when placed directly in a purely aquatic environment. You simply take a healthy cutting just below a leaf node, remove the bottom leaves, and place it in a small, elegant glass jar filled with fresh, room-temperature water. Within days, it will rapidly push out a delicate, beautiful network of fine, thread-like white roots. Fittonias are incredibly dramatic plants. If they run out of water, their entire vibrant foliage will completely collapse, explicitly telling you they are thirsty. However, when grown hydroponically in a glass vessel, they have a constant, endless supply of hydration, meaning they remain constantly perky, flawless, and deeply colorful. Most importantly, if your curious cat decides to inspect the bright pink leaves with their teeth, you can rest completely easy knowing this stunning plant is entirely non-toxic. Plant 3. The elegant Parlor Palm, Chamaedorea elegans. Moving on to number 3, we introduce a plant that brings dramatic, tropical architectural height to your soil-free home. The deeply elegant Parlor Palm. Many towering houseplants used for floor displays, such as the popular Dracaena, sago palms, or lucky bamboo, are highly toxic to cats and can cause severe medical emergencies. The Parlor Palm is the absolute perfect, safe alternative. It offers graceful, feathery, lush green fronds that immediately transform any dull corner into a sophisticated miniature tropical canopy. Remarkably, despite usually being sold in dense, heavy pots of soil, this elegant palm adapts brilliantly to a bare-root aquatic lifestyle. Converting a mature, soil-grown Parlor Palm to a purely water-based environment is a deeply satisfying, transformative process. You must carefully remove the entire plant from its nursery pot and gently massage the delicate root ball under a gentle stream of lukewarm running water. Meticulously wash away every single grain of dirt until you are left with a pristine, completely bare root system. Because the Parlor Palm can grow quite tall, you must place it in a very substantial, heavy, wide-bottomed glass cylinder. To ensure absolute stability against a cat playfully rubbing against it, securely anchor the roots using a beautiful, heavy layer of smooth, dark river stones. This creates a stunning, high-end architectural decor piece that is completely free of messy soil. Plant 4. The lush Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. For our fourth plant, we are looking at an incredibly voluminous, deeply textural species that creates a massive visual impact, the classic Boston fern. Known for its cascading, brilliant, emerald green, feathery fronds, the Boston fern brings a lush forest floor aesthetic directly into your home. The gentle swaying motion of the delicate fronds is guaranteed to catch the eye of any playful cat, making it a prime target for midnight hunting games. Fortunately, the Boston fern is recognized by veterinarians worldwide as entirely safe and non-toxic for both cats and dogs. While ferns are notorious for being absolute divas when grown in soil, constantly developing crispy, dead leaves if you forget to water them for even a single day, growing them entirely in water completely eliminates this stressful problem. By meticulously washing the dirt away from a young Boston fern's roots and placing it in a wide glass vase where the bottom roots are continuously submerged, the plant is granted permanent access to hydration. The evaporation from the water directly below the fronds creates a localized microclimate of high humidity, which is exactly what ferns aggressively crave to stay vibrant and green. The result is a spectacular, wildly lush explosion of green foliage that requires zero daily maintenance and never leaves a pile of scattered potting soil on your floor. Plant 5. The thick-leaved peperomia, Peperomia obtusifolia. Finally, at number 5, we feature a brilliantly robust, highly structural plant that perfectly mimics the aesthetic of the toxic rubber plant, but without any of the danger. The Peperomia obtusifolia, often called the baby rubber plant. If you love thick, glossy, deep green, succulent-like leaves, but need to protect your feline friend from toxic sap, this specific Peperomia is an absolute must-have. Its incredibly sturdy, rigid leaves are generally much less tempting for cats to shred compared to thin, grassy foliage, making it a wonderful, highly durable addition to your aesthetic plantaria setup. The Peperomia is phenomenally easy to cultivate indefinitely in just water. By taking a healthy stem cutting and dropping it into a minimalist clear crystal vase, you will soon observe the development of strong, bright white aquatic roots. Because of its dense, fleshy leaves, the Peperomia stores water highly efficiently, making it incredibly resilient. It thrives gracefully in bright, indirect light and maintains a compact, exceptionally tidy growth habit. Placing a water-rooted Peperomia on your coffee table or office desk creates a highly sophisticated, minimalist focal point. It delivers that coveted, heavy foliage jungle aesthetic while ensuring your living space remains perfectly clean, completely dirt-free, and absolutely safe for your curious pets. Final thoughts. Transitioning your indoor garden away from the messy, unpredictable world of dirt and into the clean, serene realm of water is truly one of the most rewarding decisions you can make, especially as a pet owner. By choosing these 5 stunning, non-toxic plants, the spider plant, nerve plant, Parlor Palm, Boston fern, and Peperomia, you are actively creating an environment of deep peace. You are permanently ending the frustrating cleanup of spilled soil from curious paws, and you are eliminating the midnight panic over a chewed leaf. You are consciously building a living, breathing botanical space that deeply heals the mind, looks aesthetically flawless, and respects the safety of the animals you love. If you found this comprehensive, cat-safe guide helpful and inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe to Aquatelier. Our ongoing mission is to help you easily build beautiful, self-sustaining, and safe botanical spaces with absolute zero stress. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today. Keep your living spaces vibrant and soil-free, and I will see you in the next peaceful video.